how to leave a fantasy league Yahoo. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to leave a Yahoo fantasy league. Alright, so let's begin. Over here, go to the Yahoo website at fantasysports.yahoo.com. After that, create an account if you don't have one or log in if you do. Then, once you're logged in, click on the arrow and choose the sport you want to join a league in. For example, I chose fantasy football. Now, as you can see here, it is written that registration for the 2024 season is now over. But I will tell you the steps that you can take to leave a fantasy league Yahoo. So, what you have to do is, after choosing your sport, join a league by clicking on Join Now or create a league if you want to be a commissioner. Once you're done, go to the League tab, then to My Team and click on Edit Team Info. Scroll down to the very bottom until you see Delete Team. Click on Delete Team and it will ask you if you're sure. If you are, click on Delete Team again and your team will be deleted. So that's basically how you can leave a Yahoo Fantasy League. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.